guys, Giselle here. Welcome to another video tutorial. Today we'll talk about bulk email verifier. So email verification helps businesses increase engagements, conversions, and ensure maximum inbox delivery so you can keep bounces to a minimum and maintain a good email reputation. So what happens when you don't verify your email list? If you keep sending emails to invalid, fake, and incorrect email addresses, you will have high bounce rates. Once you hit a certain threshold, your account could be blacklisted. So make sure to confirm the emails are legitimate before beginning a campaign. Let me teach you how to use our bulk email verifier tool. So go to searchbug.com and log in or sign up for a free account. Okay, so once you're in, go to Business Services, Bulk Email Verification. So you just need to upload your file in text, CSV, or Excel format, and then click Continue. Next is you have to identify your column. So we have a list of email addresses here, and click Continue to the next step. On this page, you will see the number of records that you have, the cost of your batch, and the estimated time processing of your batch. And then you can go ahead and click Process My Data. For step 4, this means that we successfully uploaded the batch. So to check the status, click the drop-down menu beside your name and go to Bulk Dashboard. Okay, so on this page, you'll see the list of your batch. You can also monitor the status of your batch here. You'll see how long the batch has been running and how much time is left. So this is the batch that we uploaded earlier. It's already completed, so you can go ahead and download the results. And aside from this, you will also receive a confirmation email with the download link. So the return file will tell you the status of your emails. If you don't know what they mean, you can check them on Business Services, Bulk Email Verification, scroll down, and you can expand these titles to see the status of your email addresses. And you're all set. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.